Class. Today we are going to work on reading a long sentence. We are going to listen first while I read a sentence to you from our next story, which we're going to be beginning tomorrow. Then I will show you what it looks like in the book, and we will all read it together out loud. After that, we'll take 2 minutes to talk about what you think it means to your partners. So we're going to listen with voice level 0. Then we'll read it together with a voice level of 2, normal speaking voice, and then discuss it with your partner at a voice level 1 so that everybody can hear everybody. Okay? Who can repeat those directions to me? Very good. All right, here it is. Voice is off. Listen. Morris slowly walked inside and discovered the most mysterious and inviting room he had ever seen. Everybody heard that? All right. We will now look at it and try to read it together. Here's the sentence. Try to follow along with me. Speak clearly and all together. Ready? Morris slowly walked inside and discovered the most mysterious and inviting room he had ever seen. Let's try it one more time. Ready? Morris slowly walked inside and discovered the most mysterious and inviting room he had ever seen. Looking at this sentence, what do you notice and wonder? When I say go, take 2 minutes with your shoulder partner to discuss your responses at volume 1. What do you notice and wonder about this sentence? How long do we have to talk? That's right, 2 minutes. And what is our voice level? Voice level 1. Let's keep our voices low. I'm going to be walking around and listening, and I'll probably pick 1 or 2 people to share what they think they've noticed and wondered about this sentence. Go. All right, I've chosen London. London, what was your thoughts about the sentence? Very good. And Zamiri, what are your thoughts about this sentence? Very interesting, very interesting. Now let's look at this sentence in a different way. This is a long sentence like that, but I'm going to show you the simplest sentence that I could make using the same words here. And we will get 3 chances to talk. First, I'll show you the simple sentence, then we'll add a few more words in and see how the meaning changes. You'll get a chance to talk, and we'll do that 3 times, okay? When you talk with your partner, you'll have 1 minute to talk about how the meaning is changed. You'll see what I mean. After we're done, I'm going to give you 3 minutes to silently, solo, voice level 0, write all of the things that we've talked about and annotate the sentence to determine what you think it means and what it's talking about. All right, here is the first slide. This is the simplest I could make this. Can somebody read this for me? Morris walked inside the room. One student, raise your hand and tell me what the sentence means. Yeah, it's basically just the facts. Morris is a character walking inside of a room. We can call that the setting. All right, let's go to the next slide. Morris slowly walked inside the room. Put one more word in there. Two more words. Morris slowly walked inside and discovered the room. Now, take 1 minute with your partner at voice level 1 and tell how the sentence's meaning is changing. I'm going to come around and pick 1 or 2 students to share. 1 minute, voice level 1, how is the meaning changing? Go. All right. This student, please share your thoughts. Yes, it has some suspense now. That's well put. The room is interesting to Morris. It's something new to him. Somehow it's captured his attention. Maybe he's a little nervous. Very good. Next slide. Morris slowly walked inside and discovered the inviting room. Think about, what does inviting mean? Who can tell me what the root word, the base word for inviting is? To invite. So the room is inviting Morris. Is that right? All right, let's go to the next one. Morris slowly walked inside and discovered the mysterious room. Who can tell me what the base word of mysterious is? Mystery. That's right. Mystery. The room has mystery. Morris slowly walked inside and discovered the mysterious room. Let's look at this. Morris slowly walked inside and discovered the mysterious and inviting room. Take 1 minute with your partner at voice level 1. Talk about how the sentence's meaning is changing. I will call on 2 students to share. What does mysterious and inviting mean? How can the room be both of those things at the same time? All right, let's hear from this student. Good, it's inviting, which means that he likes it, something attractive to him, but it's mysterious, which means that there's something that he doesn't understand about it. It's a mystery. So it's kind of like nice and creepy at the same time. Do we all agree? Good. Let's look at the next part of it. This is the whole sentence again. Morris slowly walked inside and discovered the most mysterious and inviting room he had ever seen. So what are the new parts of this sentence here? Discovered the most he had ever seen. Most mysterious and inviting room he had ever seen. I'd like you to take 1 minute, last time, talk with your partner at voice level 1. Tell how the meaning of the sentence is changing and developing. If you're having trouble with it, think about, what does this last part tell you about the room, but what does it also tell you about this character Morris? If this is the most mysterious and inviting room he had ever seen. 1 minute, go. All right, let's hear from this student. This shows, very good, this shows just as much about Morris as it does about the room, doesn't it? It means that as a young kid, he has never experienced anything like this. But it also shows that the room itself must be pretty special too. So he's new to this, but the room itself is something that's new to him too. Maybe new to us. All right. Everyone take 3 minutes and work independently at voice level 0 to annotate this sentence on your handout. Get as much as you can of the meaning of the different parts of the sentence and what it tells you about the setting, which is the room, and the character, which is Morris. I would like you to tell both what is happening and the feelings and the mood that goes with it. All right, 3 minutes, silent work, independent work, write on your handout all the notes, all the things that you can think of that have to do with the meaning of this sentence. Go. And we'll bring it back in 3 and 2 and in 1. Now that you have all your notes assembled, I'm going to call on 3 students. Would anybody like to volunteer to read what they wrote, or at least describe what they wrote, to try to tell us what the whole sentence means, to try to tell both what is happening and the feelings and the mood that goes with it? Student 1, student 2,